Bill Gates definitely does. I think you're probably right. So you said multiples, right? Is there something else you've been learning about to kind of go along with multiples? Yeah.
Place value.
Place value. I'm thinking of words starts with the letter F.
Fractions.
And
Fractions.
Have you done fractions?
Yeah. Last year.
This year, have you done fractions?
No.
So it's probably not going to be fractions, but it's a good guess because it starts with an F and it ends with a S, right?
Yeah. Could just be
Okay, I'm
fractions.
going to give you another letter.
Oh, factors.
Say it louder.
Factors.
What's a factor?
It's like a factor's like
It's the multiple of two. It's the multiple of two numbers.
A factor is
Oh,
wait, what's a multiple then?
Well, a multiple is like. Actually, no. It's like a factor is technically two numbers multiplied, and it's what it becomes.
Okay, two numbers multiplied. What were you going to say?
Well, a multiple is
Oh, we know the factor
is the answer to a multiplication table question.
The multiple is an answer to a multiplication. Okay. What's the other word that we call the answer in a multiplication problem?
A sum.
It's not the sum. The
The
sum is when we do
product.
this.
The product.
6 plus 9 equals what?
The product.
Product.
Okay, this is the
Factor
sum.
makes the product.
Okay, what is the product of 6 times 9?
The product of
It's
54.
Everybody,
54.
just checking. Product. So you're telling me this is the product. So what's one name for this number?
Factor.
What about this number?
Factor.
Cause
Yes?
it's like 6 is a factor of 54 because it could be 6 times 9 equals 54.
So those could be factors.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you think of any other factors of 54? Just think for a minute. Usually when we're
9.
thinking, you think, 9? You think 9 would be a factor?
Oh,
2. That was a
9
tricky
times
question.
6.
Why 2?
9 times 6.
Somebody said 2. Why 2?
Because
it's right there.
I didn't look there. Because it's an equal number.
Because it's an equal number?
Yeah.
What's the other word that we use? We don't think of equal numbers. Even. Any number that ends in what is even?
Or
0. Anything that ends there is even. You can divide it by 2. So we can kind of give a test and say, well, we know 2 is a factor of it, right?
Then odds are 1, 3.
Odds are 1 and 3.
No, 1, 3, 5.
Oh, so these are
7,
even.
9.
So
1, 3, 7.
how do you define odd?
Everything that's 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Well, what if I have 35? That's not 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Yeah, but
What if I have 45? I have an even and an odd. Is the number even or odd?
odd, because the ending number is an odd
it's in the
number,
ones
which
place.
therefore makes it odd.
Therefore, it makes it odd. So you don't have to memorize these rules. When we're thinking about odd numbers, they cannot be divided into 2 equal groups, right? Have you done division?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if I took 45, could I divide that into 2 equal groups?
Yes.
I could, and I would end up with 22 and 22 and 1.
54.
So a remainder, wouldn't I? I'd have a group that's equal, they're equal to each other, and 1 left over. So that's an odd number,
Well,
right?
it's not divisible by 5.
So what's not divisible by 5?
45. Well, if
45 is not divisible by 45?
Well,
Or by 5?
no, wait.
Think, just think.
Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah.
Oh, it is. Why? Because the factors are what?
5.
9 times 5 or 5 times 9.
So these are the what?
Factors.
Factors. This is the...
Back product.
You want a tricky one? Have you done division?
Yeah.
Do you know the parts of a division
45
problem?
is not
Thank
made by.
You haven't done that much division? Okay, just checking. What if I had 20 divided by 2?
10.
Good. What do we call the answer in a division problem?
Quotient.
Say it again.
Quotient.
Quotient. I'll spell it for you because it's not an easy one. Were you thinking quotient?
Yeah.
Yeah, quotient. What do we call these two parts? Because they would know.
The
I don't know if you've ever learned these, so I'm just testing. Do you know?
Division. I did this in school.
You've seen this before. So this is the divisor. It's a thing that puts it into
Yeah,
equal
we
groups.
watched a video.
You watched a video.
I've watched a video.
All by yourself?
No, in a different school.
In a different school. You watched a video.
And it was about division and multiplication.
So the important thing is this is the divisor. It tells us what? How many equal groups?
Divisor and a sheet.
Or how many in a group. Now I'm going to give you this one. Do the teachers know it? Oh good, because every now and then I run across people, it's not as common. We call this the
Divider.
dividend. I know, it's kind of a weird word, right? Don't worry about it, you have to know it. You don't have to know it today.
I just saw a few words. I was like, what?
Yeah, there's like a lot of words in math sometimes, right? Like round and estimate we were doing.
well, Matt, you
All
have to know
right,
math.
here's our new word for the day.
No,
Are you ready? You ready? I'm gonna write it over here. I love big beautiful whiteboards. Here's your word of the day.
Array.
Do you know what an array
Yes.
is?
I've heard that one.
An array of. Oh yes. An array of like beer bottles. That could.
Probably, not in my household because we'd throw them away, but I
Yeah.
suppose that's possible.
Yeah.
Here's what I'm gonna do. Are we gonna work in partners or table groups? And do they call you Heather? Yes. Oh, by the way, my name is Cassie. Bonjour. So you can call me Cassie.
Table groups will be fine. The fours can work in partners. They have done that before.
Work in teams?
Yeah.
Here's what I want you to do. I want each team, so it's 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, and 2. I want each team to pull out 24 cubes. It's going to be really easy for you guys because they're in tens already, aren't they?
We don't have.
I'm coming.
I can do that.
I'm going to give you a whole bunch and you check and make sure you have 24, okay? And I want them in
5. I got 5 here.
12. I'm 12. I'm 12.
You guys got them? Does the group have 24?
That's not
Okay. So,
I have 24 times.
Would you have 7, 8, 9, 10? So 10. This is 5. Because it's half. And this is a 1. Oh wait, we need to minus 1. Pull one out. There we go. That's good. 24. Whatever. 24. We have our 20.
you have 24. I want you to only have 24. If you have extras, you need to give them back.
Put one back.
24 for the team.
Table.